Hello and welcome to the Suzanne and Sarah YouTube channel. I'm Sarah and today we are talking about October Bend area market stats, where the market's been and where it's going. We do this every single month. Let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Suzanne and Sarah YouTube channel. I'm Suzanne Moore.
And I'm Sarah Willis. We are Central Oregon's investment and real estate experts. All right, once again, my name is Sarah Willis. I'm a licensed realtor here at Realty One Group Discovery in beautiful sunny Bend, Oregon. Suzanne Moore and I are a team, and we bring you these videos every single month where we talk about what's been going on in the Bend area real estate market so you can stay in touch with what's going on here. That way, when you're ready to buy and sell, you know who to call to know what's going on, and you can keep tabs on it too. You'll see it up here on your screen. There's a QR code. That's the best way to get in touch with us. Please hold your phone up right now. Fill out our contact form. You'll get notifications when these videos come out if you like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And let's see what's going on next. Okay, so jumping right into our October 2023 stats, our median home sales price declined ever so slightly by $15,000 in 1 month, which is pretty normal for this time of year. We are down to a $735,000 median home sales price in the Bend area alone. This is down 2% since the month before. And if you look year over year, we are still going up in average price or median price, and we are up $25,000 in 1 year. So our takeaway from this past month is, and just looking at the bigger picture, October tends to be one of the best times of year for buyers to get into homes in terms of sales price. October and February seem to be a buyer's month. And for this year, it's the best deal that buyers have had in the past 6 months. So take note. Okay, we always talk about our change versus peak. We had a crazy peak here back in July of 2023. That was the new peak for our area for all time when we reached a $800,000 median home sales price. And since then, we are down $65,000 from that peak. So we just like to keep tabs on this so we know where we've been and where we're going. Price per square foot is something that we follow closely. Right now in Bend, we are looking at an average of $379 price per square foot. This is $28 per square foot higher than 2022. It is $37 higher than 2021 and a whopping 32% higher than 3 years ago in 2020. So while our market's been doing some funky things, the overall trajectory of our market has been up. We are definitely an appreciation market here in Bend. Number of sales is down 10% versus September, and we just had 121 sales in August. And this is something that has actually been on the decline overall for the past few years. So we are still even 11% fewer sales than last year. So this, like I said, is just trending down in general. Tight inventory, high interest rates, and not a lot of people wanting to sell. So that's where we're at with number of sales. Days on market is remaining steady. It's taking about 2 weeks to sell a home here in Bend. In October, it was exactly the same number of days on market, 17 days, as it was the month before. And this is something that has been trending up. So buyers are getting more time to shop and decide. And it's especially in the price point, $850,000 and higher, where we have more inventory on the market. It's taking a lot longer to sell those homes. Being investor-focused realtors, we watch cash sales every single month. This past month, the total number of all sales was down from the month before to just 30%. The month before, it was about 36 or 37% of total sales. But if you look at it year over year, it's up 21%. In general, has remained steady. Actually, if you look at the charts for the past 3 years, it's about average from the year before, from 2022. So the number of cash sales, but when you look at the percentage of cash sales to finance sales, the percentage of cash sales is taking a bigger piece of that pie overall. So short and sweet, let's get to the review. October is a good month to get a deal in Bend. As we said, just looking at all the months during the year and what the best prices tend to be, plan for it. October is a transition month for a lot of people. So play that card if you can. Median sales price, as we said, is trending down seasonally, but we are still a steadily appreciating market. When you look at the chart, it is clearly a chart that is is on the rise, regardless of its ups and downs along the way. And then, as we just said, the overall percentage of cash sales is trending up compared to conventional financing. When you look at the chart for that, cash sales fluctuate different times of year, but conventional sales have been going down. So these two are kind of meeting closer these days. What's next? As we say, don't miss the opportunity for seasonal sales this time of year. November, we usually see a little bit more of an increase in activity again before the holidays, and that tends to push our sales price up again for one last push before the season gets underway for the holidays. But in general, this is definitely the time of year to watch our market. And if you see something that you like, it is a time to negotiate and get deals. Inventory has been holding steady for the past 5 months. We've only had a 2-month supply of housing for the past 2 months, which has been coming up since the COVID era when we were back at like a half a month's worth of supply. But it's really not getting any better. We're holding steady at that 2-month supply, and that is in part what is keeping our number of sales in the area so low. But remember, lower number of sales in general means less competition. So there's more time to decide. And when you do make offers, there's definitely potential for getting things under asking when you're working with the right advocates for yourself. More room to negotiate on those price points of $175,000 and higher. And that's because those homes are sitting longer and there is a greater number of homes in that price point for sale in our area. So if that is your price point, let us know. We're happy to set up a search for you and help you get the best deal possible, as always. Once again, I'm Sarah Willis. Suzanne Moore and I are a team at Realty One Group Discovery. We are licensed realtors here in Central Oregon, here to help however we can. Want to keep you up to date and informed on all the latest things that are going on in our area, especially our real estate market. So once again, we invite you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay in touch that way. Also, that QR code gets you on our mailing list and gets you an email with Ben's best deals every single week, as well as our monthly market updates. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great night.